along the famous river promenade. Palm trees line the sea. Locals sip coffee in the morning light, and travelers pause to watch the ferries leaving for the islands. Olivia's steps follow the rhythm of the city. Relax, warm, welcoming. The beaches of Split are many, each with its own charm. One of them with soft sand and shallow water is perfect for families. Others invite you with pebbled shores, crystal water and cafes right by the waves. Food is part of every walk here. Seafood fresh from the Adriatic, grilled fish, octopus salad, or black risotto with cuttlefish ink. A glass of Dalmatian wine, or perhaps a sweet fig for dessert. Olivia pauses to enjoy the scents and the flavors, simple pleasures that belong to summer. History is always near. The walls of Diocletian's palace rise in the heart of Split. A Roman emperor's home turned into a living city. Its narrow streets, hidden squares, and marble steps echo with centuries of voices. Walking here with Olivia is like moving through time. For those who seek adventure, the options are endless. Boat trips to Fire or Brack, kayaking along the coast, climbing the trails of Margin Hill for a view of sea and islands, or just floating in the water, letting the sun and salt heal your spirit. As the day fades, Split glows with music and light. Street performers play, markets stay open late, and the river fills with life again. Olivia's walk continues softly, one step at a time, sharing the beauty of a city where history, sea, and summer meet. This is Beach Walk with Olivia. This is Split.
Nice!